Hey yo, so I'm here to talk to someone out there. If you are beautiful, like you love the whole makeup, you have the fancy bag, the fancy cars, you wear the beautiful wigs, you like going out, like you love having fun, going to the club, to parties, I want you to get your ass on YouTube right now. I feel this month, December, is that month for you. Like, if you know you are beautiful, you love the soft life, the aesthetics, you love going out, I want you to be on YouTube, because that is what people are looking for in this month of December. I promise you, if you open your YouTube channel today is the 9th of December, I'm sure you're going to get monetized before the end of the year. This is Christmas. A lot of people are looking for pages where they could get fashion tips, they could get makeup tips, they could get the best locations in town. So if you know you are those type of people, I don't want you to care about anybody, what anyone will say. I want you to open a YouTube channel. I want you to teach people how to be beautiful using makeup. So if you know you have products, if you know you have tips on how to make your makeup last longer, on how to have the best makeup, or how to see affordable makeup products that will make your makeup beautiful and flawless, I want you to open a YouTube channel right now. Like, I can't tell you the number of times I have browsed makeup tips on YouTube. Like, I literally do that every time I want to do my makeup. Or do you want to talk about the fashion? This is Christmas, for crying out loud. A lot of people want to go out, a lot of people want to look beautiful, a lot of people are looking for inspiration on how to glam up, on how to dress, on how to match outfits. I want you to do that. Don't waste your beauty away. Don't waste your fashion tips. Don't waste your talent. This is for you. YouTube is for you. So open that channel and talk about it. If you have tips on how to get affordable clothing, if you shop for affordable clothing, I want you to open a channel and talk about that. You can do it, guys. People are out there looking for fashion tips, looking for affordable clothing in this winter, especially because winter clothes are so expensive, guys, and people are looking for how to spend less to look the best. So if you have those tips on where to get affordable fashion item, please start it. Then the last one, I feel this is very important. If you are the person that loves going out, you love the nightlife, love going to the club, love partying, love going to beautiful restaurants, this is your time to start a YouTube channel and talk about that. Because people are tired of staying inside. They are going to the club. People want to go to the club and look for the hoes, girls. So open your channel and talk about places you've been to in your city, out of your city. People are looking for those tips. So please open your YouTube channel and start that. And I promise you, you're going to get your 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour, and get monetized before the end of this year. That is the quickest niche you can open this 2024. So I'm here to tell you that is the best niche, because you could be thinking, oh, what am I going to talk about when I open my channel? That is the niche you need to open today, the 9th of December, or if you're watching it tomorrow, so that's going to be the 10th of December. That is the quickest niche I want you to open to make money on YouTube. Don't waste it, girl. Don't waste it, guy. Because you pay for your makeup, you pay for going out. Why don't you make money you could use to go out and make more money? I don't know if you get that, but guy, if you know you look your best, if you know you love looking your best, if you know you love beautiful aesthetics, if you know you love looking beautiful, I want you to open a YouTube channel and start making money. That is very important. So I hope you listen and you take action today. And thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. If you know you're going to be opening a YouTube channel, or if you know you need advice and help on how to open a YouTube channel to make money, let me know down below in the comment section and I will do a video just for you. Thank you for watching, and as always, leave your comments, and see you in my next video. Bye.